meal prep ideas, the second recipe. If you are busy and want to create something nicer for your family, you can make them ahead and freeze them or put it in fridge up to 3 days. So I'm going to show you easy recipe that you can add some vegetables and meat into it. How to cook tortellini with roasted pumpkin, bacon and green peas. For this recipe I'm using 630 grams tortellini. This is with roasted vegetable and ricotta, but still I want to add more vegetables in it. And about 1.5 cups green peas, 300 grams pumpkin, cheese to put on top, a teaspoon of stock powder or you can use stock water instead, about 1/4 cup of whipping cream or cooking cream or even milk, and 1/4 bunch of fresh parsley, 1 onion, few cloves of garlic, 200 grams bacon. I'm using the one with the rind or you can use rindless in this recipe. It's a simple and easy meal that you can do in few minutes for your busy weekdays. So let's start doing it. First let's bake the pumpkin. So cut the pumpkin into small cubes. So when you cut the pumpkin, cut that into strips like this. And then cut it into 3. And put them on a baking tray. After, spray the pumpkin, sprinkle some salt and bake this on 180 Celsius about 10 minutes. While doing the pumpkin, let's cut the parsley. Put it into a bowl. Then cut the onion. I'm going to use my small food processor for that. You can cut the bacon as you wish. I like to chop it roughly. Put some water into a pot and add about a teaspoon of salt and some oil into it. I'm adding about 1 liter of water, and when the water starts boiling, add the tortellini into it. You can do this recipe with any kind of a pasta. So cover and cook until tender. So the pasta is ready, and take it out, and when you take the pasta out, make sure to keep 1 cup of water aside. Now into a pot, add about a tablespoon oil, and into that add the bacon. And stir fry the bacon about 2-3 minutes. Once the bacon is ready, add the onion and the garlic. Cook again another few more minutes. After, add the green peas. And add about a cup of water that you left from the pasta. After cooking the green peas about 1 minute, add half of the pumpkin that you roasted and leave half aside. Mix it. If you overcook the pumpkin, it will be mushy, so you need to keep an eye on the pumpkin all the time. And after, add a bit more pasta water and add the pasta. So mix the pasta with the pumpkin and the bacon. While doing the video, the camera battery went flat. Hope I recorded everything. So add enough pepper and salt to your taste. Then leave some parsley aside to garnish and add the rest into the pasta. Now the last ingredient, a teaspoon of stock powder. Mix. And then a 1/4 cup of cream. And cook the cream about 30 seconds and it is finished. It's ready to serve or to plate. Take the boxes that you are going to store, put them directly into the box. Sprinkle more parsley on top. After, top up with a little bit more pumpkin and grate some cheese and sprinkle on top. This is ready to be served or to store. Simple and easy way of serving pasta as a nourishing meal, and also you can cover once it is cool enough. Stack them on top and put it in the freezer, and hope you will enjoy. See you next time.